Okay, so this is a new book. I'm sure you know how to do all of these. Um, we should probably see about how we can time you and see how long it takes you to do them. Because this is important. Okay, let's go to the next page here. Basically, we're just going to go ahead and just trace these words, and then make sure you know the words and you can read them out loud. And then we just, as far as these sentences go, you're going to match up the correct word with these sentences. I know that I do not have to tell you which ones those are. You know that the bright white dress was clean. And the strong athlete won first place. The large cat had a round belly. The skinny clown made funny faces. The pretty dog had a what? A loud bark. Okay. So that should be pretty easy, and then I just did them for you, so you should be able to do them. If you look at this video, okay, again, this is something else that probably should be timed at this point. You should know how to do these. Okay, and again, we're going to make sure that you know these words. And then what I'm going to ask you to do is I want you to write these in a sentence. Just like this. Okay, so that's how I'm going to have, we're going to go through these again, and we're going to figure out a sentence. And that's how I'm going to have you do these. So we know that this first one is dive deep, throw far, splash and play, sail away, crawl quickly, watch closely, catch the ball, surf a wave, spray water, swim in water. So there's going to be sentences that I'm going to ask that you write that have these two words or these words in each of these things in it. Okay, and so again, we're back here putting the correct verb in each of these sentences to complete them. And I'm sure you know how to do those. Just make sure that you know how to do these words. You know what these words are. Swim, sail, throw, crawl, surf. Okay, and then again, this is something that we need to do time, that you can add these relatively quickly. You're going to put the word with the picture. And so the first word is knee, gaw, agon, or gaw, lamb, knock, gash, crumb, knife, gome, thumb. Okay, so let me see if I can think of the, let me see, we know that's knee. And see, I don't know what this word is, but lamb, knock, gash, or, I don't know what that is. See, those are words that I'm going to want you to know what they mean, so you can tell me what they mean. What does that word mean, and what does this word mean? You have a resource now that you can look this up, so because these are words that I am struggling with. Crumb, knife, gnome, and thumb. So these words are new. These ones are challenging words. So these words we're going to add to your vocabulary, so we can get you where you have a better spelling. And so again, here we are. Read each word in the box below aloud, then write the words with the same letters in each group. So the first one ends in silent B. So let me see. And then the second starts with silent G and starts with a silent K. knock, okay, for that one. Knife, okay, so the K is silent. So yeah, so knife and knock, because we don't say knife and we don't say cock, you know, we say knife and knock, you know, so those are silent K's, all right, and starts with a silent G. No, gnome and Nash and Nah, okay. Oh, and then knee is also a silent K. Silent B ends in silent B. Lamb, we don't say lamb. And then crumb, we don't say crumb. And then thumb, we don't say thumb. So thumb, crumb, and lamb go here, okay? And again, we're gonna go back to this this addition, and it should be time. You should be able to work on that pretty quickly. And again, these are words that we're gonna have you learning. And so let's just go over real quick. Steal, waste, root, weak, peace, waste, root, peace, weak, and steal. Okay, these are great words. These are really great words for you to learn. So circle the word that matches each word below. And so they want you to circle the word that these words match up to. And so we just went over the words, so you should know how to do that. Okay, so here we go again with addition, and we should know how to do these. You should know how to do these addition problems. They should be relatively easy for you. You know, you add this column first, and so that would be 9, and then this column second, and then we know that that's 9, and then it would be 99. Now for this one right here, well, they have it just to show you that, you know, it could be an additional number here, but this number is still 2 digits. So that's just 3. Well, no, actually it's not 2 digits. It's just 3 here, and then that's 10. So 1, 0, and then 3. So 103. So yeah, so it looks like these are showing you that is going to be an additional number. I don't know if that's going to be for all of them, or they're just helping you out with those, but I want you to be able to do that. Then next, read each sentence, then trace the contraction. So this one is I am skipping. And so it says trace the contraction. So these are the contractions that we're going to be tracing. And then trace the contraction, then write the 2 words that each contraction represent. So you know what this is. This is he is. This is we are. It is. I am. And she is. And so you write that here. He is, and then so forth. So on. Okay, so again, addition. That should be easy. Okay, so is progression as far as it increasing in understanding. So trace the words below. So we're tracing the words to show direction. You know that this is northwest, northeast, southeast, southeast, northwest, and southwest. And then it says, look at the map and read the sentences below. Complete the sentences by using a word from the box. And then you're going to be able to look at this map here, and based upon how they gave you the key to show you where the direction is, you're going to look at this map and you're going to say the hills are, and you see the hills are there, and then you're going to be able to look what angle this is at, and then you're going to be able to find it here. Okay, so here we go again with addition problems. That should be very easy for you. And also this right here, that should also be easy for you. And okay, so this one is going to be a little bit more complicated. But I think that you'll be able to do this easy as well. Complete the crossword puzzle using the sentences below as clues. Okay. The sunlight was, and then I think it would say bright, but you would have to make sure you know how to spell bright and put it there. We looked at the map and drove. Oh, here is what this is. So northwest, you would put here. My dad told me to blank up the mess. So that would be clean. And then you would spell clean here. I would love a blank of pie. Peace. You would write peace here. And then down, I tried to blank the ball with one hand. Catch. And then you would put catch right there. And she won blank place at the science fair. First place. So that one goes here. And then my brother can blank into the pool. I think that's dive. And that would be there. And then when we pulled up the plant, we saw the blank. And it's probably the roots. So that one would be here. Okay, so this should be relatively easy for you. This is going to be, I'm going to ask that you have this done a certain period of time, and then we're going to go into another couple of days that I would like you to also do these as well. These are subtraction. So do the subtraction. That should be easy for you. And here we go. Here it says trace the words below, color the boxes of the words with the same constant blend to connect 3 in a row like tic-tac-toe. So you're looking for the words with the double L and then words with the double R. So we're gonna just do it that way so you can pretty much know. Okay, trace each word below, then draw a line to match the words with the correct pictures. And so going over the words, sniff, offer, belly, carrot, mirror, yellow, parrot, tunnel, summer, and balloon. Okay, so you're just gonna match up the word, draw the line, and to the correct picture. Again, here we go, some more subtraction. Again, this should be very easy for you. And it says make 10 ice cream cones below by putting together the words. So, okay, so you're just gonna have to figure out what word is gonna go with one. Let me see. Underground is one. Rattlesnake is another. Grasshopper is another. So this is challenging, so I will trust that you will be able to know which word goes with, which ice cream goes with the cone. And then you write it. You write that word. The words that you find, you write them here. Okay, so again, here's some more subtraction. And again, here are words that you're going to trace, and then you're going to draw. to make sure that they're correct. Trace the words. Draw a line between two words that are synonymous or mean the same. So like group, bunch. Okay. Now I'm going to ask that you do them. We're going to see if you know how to do it on your own. And yeah. Again, here we go. These are going to be a little bit more challenging. So the doctor checked my vision. This one says rewrite each sentence. Replace each underlined word with a synonym from the box. Note that the new sentences have the same meaning. So vision is sight. Raise is lift. Correct is right. Shore is coast. Group is bunch. And so for each one that I just helped with the synonym, you're going to write the sentence with the new word here. Okay. Subtraction. And then here, we're going to trace the word, then draw a line between the two words that are anonymous or mean the opposite. Or say antonyms or mean the opposite. So downstairs, upstairs, inside, outside, nighttime, daytime, calm, upset, funny, serious. Okay. So we write each word, replace each underlined word with its antonym from the box. Note that the new sentences have the opposite meaning. So again, upset, funny. Upstairs, downstairs. Daytime, nighttime. Serious, funny. Or no, the first one is calm. The baby was calm. Okay, so serious, funny, and outside, inside. Okay, so you're just going to write the new word for each of these sentences. Okay, and so lastly, for this video, we're going to ask you to do the subtraction. And we'll check your work. Okay, I missed one more page. Okay, so complete the chart. It says, these are the words, trace them: tooth, teeth, cactus, cacti, ox, oxen, child, children, fish, fish, deer, deer, sheep, sheep, series. Okay, one means one and more than one. Okay, so complete each sentence using a word from the box. So children, cacti, oxen, and teeth. When I smile, you can see my what? Blank grow in the desert. Okay, all the blank did arts and crafts. Cowboys have blank to pull the wagon. They have oxen. So read the sentences. Fill in the missing word. The blank ate the grass. So you see the picture here, so it's easy for you to understand what they're asking. We watched the blank in the backyard. We read the book. Many blank like to swim together. Okay, so this should be really easy for you.